Hello there, CryptoQ Media. I'm glad you decided to come back to my channel. If you own XRP, be sure to watch all the way to the finish of the video. Rest assured, my intention is not to retain your presence solely for the purpose of engagement. To back up your positive stance on XRP, I am going to provide you with a pile of facts. Institutionalization of crypto assets is on the rise. This is also from KPMG. Many crypto assets' potential will be defined by their ability to reduce current friction and inefficiencies. The international trade system encompasses everything else. Cryptocurrency is often said to be inappropriate for many uses due to its extreme volatility. The asset's initial volatility will be higher than average because they are still in their early phases, but that will change over time. The sector is also making great strides toward creating stable currencies as a whole to address the volatility issue. This PDF is obviously quite old, but they were totally thinking about tokenization's potential future applications in the financial sector when they created it. The crypto landscape and token economy look like this. This is the picture they have in their heads about it. While the explanation is thorough, the focus should not be on the specifics of how things will work. Most importantly, the part that institutions play in building trust and facilitating the growth of crypto is crucial. They are thinking about this in terms of the direction crypto is go in the future, namely in terms of scalability and trust. When seen through this lens, institutional investors have been more receptive to Bitcoin this year than at any point in the past. March saw the beginning of the institutional era of crypto, when major institutions started to participate, tokenize, and acquire crypto-based enterprises. This ushered in new breakthroughs in the crypto space. In addition, this will continue going forward. First, I'd want to mention the DTCC, an acquisition that settles $3 quadrillion a year. Obtaining safety, as you are aware. To think that these famous companies are suddenly pouring a lot of money into this industry is frustrating. Not everyone has yet determined if this industry will be a 100 trillion asset class. This industry might grow into a 100 trillion asset class, in my view. I have said it before, but it is crystal clear to me that this region will dominate the global economy. I published a piece in January about the institutional focus since I first noticed it then, and I still sense it now. As I indicated earlier, a far more mature market is starting to replace the speculative one. Overall, I think it's worth talking about. Currently, exchange-traded funds ETFs were the center of attention. This is due to the fact that the official establishment of an ETF was prompted by remarks made by Jay Clayton when serving as SEC director, who claimed that there was an abundance of wash trading and illicit Bitcoin transactions. This is fascinating, however I think regulation and uniformity should take precedence. A number of nations are actively working to develop crypto regulatory frameworks, including the United States, Europe, Singapore, the United Arab Emirates, the United Kingdom, Hong Kong, Japan, and Japan. Many big companies are already picking winners in the tokenization process, as I said earlier. Among these are the partnerships between Hedera and Aberdeen, Stellar and Franklin, and Templeton and Franklin. The key figures who will be influential for the next 500 years and beyond are being chosen, in my view. Even I could see that there were a lot of new institutional and enterprise participants entering the field. The study of mass adoption and its mechanisms that SNTY conducted was intriguing to me. Another subject that will hasten blockchain's adoption is the merging of blockchain technology with artificial intelligence. As more and more companies integrate AI into their current systems to automate one's manual tasks, the popularity of AI is only going to grow. Blockchain technology will be crucial for the future of cryptocurrency, and ETFs are only the beginning. the potential for extraordinary innovation and profitability in this industry is starting to be acknowledged by established organizations. Positioning oneself before it was really too late to be early was the education sector's critical part in this. Time is of the essence. We still have time to gain an advantage in the space race. Careful selection is all that is required of you. It is highly probable that crypto will be institutionalized on a major scale in 2024, according to Monica Long, president of Ripple. In addition, she mentioned that trading organizations have been known to provide crypto access tokenization solutions in the past, which they used during down markets. However, today it's getting a lot of attention from prominent people all around the globe. They were just beginning the process of institutional adoption, which is something David did highlight, and I believe it deserves attention. Organizations were unprepared, but they ended up being ready. What you're saying is that financial institutions like banks are open for business now. They are ready to introduce blockchain technology to their clients. Overall, this is quite impressive for the industry. It will be great for the front runners who were ready earlier, before the space was mature enough to accept institutions. Ripple was at the head of the pack. Additionally, XRP and the XRPL are at the head of the pack. That is why, once regulators and institutional investors completely adopt this technology, Ripple and XRP will become two of the most powerful entities in the cryptocurrency and financial industry overall. Furthermore, David Schwartz explains the goal of XRP and the blueprint for RippleNet. We aim for financial institutions to settle transactions utilizing XRP through Ripple payments. Ripple will ensure this occurs by constructing a robust infrastructure that includes features like on-ramps and exit ramps, in addition to sufficient liquidity. After that, these organizations can utilize XRP to pay each other without any issues. This will create a windfall of trillions of dollars for Ripple as they want to entice numerous banks to integrate with the XRP ledger. Anyone who has watched my video has my sincere appreciation. Subscribing to my channel is a great way to show your support. Farewell for now. I will see you later.